Curious about the 2025 Genesis GV80's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? What do the lights and symbols mean, and how should you respond to them? This guide answers all your questions and helps you stay informed and safe. Interior view. The dashboard features a minimalist, elegant design with high-quality materials, a large digital display, and intuitive controls for a refined, user-friendly experience. The display features a high-resolution touchscreen with intuitive controls, supporting navigation, multimedia, and advanced connectivity options seamlessly. The cluster offers a customizable digital interface with crisp graphics, displaying essential driving information, safety alerts, and advanced vehicle data. The climate control system provides multi-zone functionality with precise temperature adjustments, air purification, and advanced airflow management for maximum comfort. The engine delivers powerful performance with turbocharged options, producing up to 375 horsepower, for dynamic acceleration and exceptional efficiency. The steering wheel features a heated function, ergonomic design, integrated controls, and premium materials for comfort and seamless functionality. The gear selector dial offers a sleek, rotary design for smooth, intuitive shifting, enhancing the vehicle's modern, high-tech interior. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators, seatbelt warning light, airbag warning light, parking brake, anti-lock brake system, electronic brake force distribution system, motor-driven power steering, charging system, engine oil pressure, engine coolant temperature, malfunction indicator lamp, low fuel level warning light, master warning light, electronic parking brake, low tire pressure, forward safety indicator, lane safety indicator, lane following assist, all-wheel drive, LED headlight warning, icy road warning, electronic stability control off, immobilizer indicator light, turn signal indicator light, high beam indicator, light on indicator, high beam assist indicator, auto hold indicator, driver attention warning, intelligent speed limit assist, emergency steering warning, speed limiter indicator, forward attention warning, auto stop indicator, door open indicator light, downhill brake control. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.